Victoria Rock Stanford presents 1563 Parrot Avenue. Located in a desirable Sunnyvale neighborhood, this home faces east and gets plenty of sunshine. As you enter the home, there's a formal entry with double front doors and a marble-tiled foyer. The front bedroom makes an ideal office or guest room. The updated kitchen has granite counters, a stainless steel sink, gas range, and double convection oven. Tile floors extend from the kitchen and into the dining room, where you'll find this charming window seat with recessed lighting. A spacious great room open floor plan greets you with a living room and family room that can be combined for countless decorating options, both anchored by this gas fireplace. Down the hall, two of the bedrooms view the backyard pool area, while the master bedroom overlooks the landscaped front yard. The master bedroom also has a sunny window seat and a sizable walk-in closet. The backyard is beautifully landscaped and features a swimming pool, perfect for cooling down on warm summer days. A laundry room leads into the two-car garage that features generous storage space, leading out to a manicured lawn and front yard. 1563 Parrot Avenue is close to Full Circle Organic Farm, Rayner Park, and the Apple campus. Contact Victoria Rock Stanford and take a closer look.